In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into a Wix website using the Wix login page. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Wix website. Once the homepage loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login option there. Click on it to move to the sign-in page. On the login page, Wix gives you a few different ways to access your account. If you already created your account using an email address, you can enter your login details in the appropriate fields. Just type in your email and password carefully, making sure there are no typing mistakes. This is especially important if your password is case-sensitive, since even a small error can prevent you from signing in. If you prefer not to enter your email and password manually, Wix also allows you to continue with other sign-in methods. You can choose to log in with Google, Facebook, or Apple, depending on how your account was originally created or which option is most convenient for you. Simply click the method you want to use and then follow the prompts on the screen. For example, if you choose Google, Facebook, or Apple, Wix will redirect you to that service so you can confirm your identity. From there, you may need to select your account and approve the sign-in request. Just complete the necessary details or permissions as prompted. This process is usually quick and straightforward. As you're logging in, make sure you use the same method you used when you first signed up. That can help avoid confusion if you have more than one sign-in option connected to different accounts. Also, if the page doesn't load right away, give it a moment or refresh the browser and try again. Once you've entered your details or completed the login process with your preferred method, Wix will sign you in and take you to your account. From there, you'll be able to manage your website, edit content, or access your dashboard depending on what you need to do, and that's all there is to it. Go to the Wix website, click Login at the top right, choose your preferred sign-in method, fill in the required details, and you're in. If you found this helpful, this is the basic process you can follow anytime you need to access your Wix account.